So let's start the whole process. First of all, please click all of the product lines. These have been selected for your school according to what your specific school offers, and click on Next. We need to create the seasons for your products first of all. So please, would you like to create more seasons? Yes. A quick explanation. There's a drop down in here. No seasons means your school do not offer any different prices for either your courses or your accommodation throughout the whole year. So always same prices, always same product. Then you would click on no season here. A lot of schools actually offer low and high season prices, which means we will first start with the low season of the courses. Please select here which range that goes for. So in this case, it would be for the adults. And we implement, you can also use a date picker here, let's say until the end of April for the low season. This goes for the courses, and we click on Next. I would like to create more seasons because I want to do the high season next, also for the adults, and I will select in this case then my high season, for example till the end of September, again for the courses, and I will select another low season for the end of the year from October onwards until the end. Again for the courses. Please also select the seasons for the courses and also a no season for other products that you might have that do not depend on any time frames throughout the year. So let's say you have the same product, the same prices for the transfer or additional fees throughout the year. Please add another season for this. If we have finished with the season, we would like to create no more seasons, and therefore we clicked no.